Welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the Homykic over the toilet storage, a bamboo 3-tier space saver organizer rack designed to maximize your bathroom's vertical space. This freestanding unit, with dimensions of 24.8 inches wide, 10.3 inches deep, and 66.7 inches high, fits perfectly over most standard toilets, offering a convenient solution for organizing toiletries like toilet paper, shampoo, and towels without cluttering your floor. Crafted from durable bamboo, this organizer not only boasts a smooth finish to prevent scratches but also features an attractive design that blends modernity with nature, available in various colors to match your home decor. With an adjustable bottom bar and 2 anti-tilt kits, stability and security are ensured, making it a reliable addition to any bathroom or even a laundry room where it can hold detergents and baskets at eye level. The 3 removable hooks add versatility, allowing you to hang items like hairdryers or plants, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. Bamboo's rapid growth and strength make it an eco-friendly choice, and with easy assembly instructions and included tools, setting up this organizer is a breeze even if you're not a DIY expert. Transform your bathroom into a tidy and stylish space with the Homykic over the toilet storage, where practicality meets elegance. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.